Bojo, Wabshke Mashkode, Bishiki Kwe, Nindishnakas, Zawanim Kianquat Nindishnakas, Ochichak, Dodam, Bawating Donchi. Like my identity is layered, right? So I'm queer. When I first came out, I didn't know about the two-spirit tradition. And I didn't think I could claim it as a mixed race person who is white passing. Did I have the right to claim that? So I identified as a lesbian, and then later on I identified as bisexual when I really got honest with who I am. And it was two-spirit people invited me into the circle. So that's the other thing. I didn't impose myself upon a community. I was invited in and welcome. And it was within the two-spirit societies that I learned the historical significance of who we are and what we're doing. We're reclaiming our place in the circle.